Hello, I'm Chris Gilliland, President of William Douglas Management Company. Today, in our preventive maintenance series, we're going to discuss winterization of the association swimming pool. In areas that will reach freezing temperatures, it is important to close a pool properly. While the pool management company is usually responsible for winterizing the association swimming pool, it is important for the Board of Directors to have an overview of this process. Along with winterizing the pool management company will also winterize the pool bathrooms and other associated pool facilities if needed. The closing methods and times may vary between regions of the country, but by taking these steps to properly secure the pool, it lessens the likelihood of damage from freezing temperatures. In preparation for freezing temperatures, an in-ground swimming pool's pipes generally must be empty. The plumbing is sealed with air, typically with rubber plugs, to prevent cracking from freezing water. Some pools may be covered to prevent leaves and other debris from falling in. If a pool is covered, floating objects such as life rings can be placed in the pool to avoid freezing as well. The skimmer is closed off, or a floating device is placed into it to prevent it from completely freezing and cracking. Sand or DE filters must be backwashed with the main drain plug removed and all water drained out. Drain plugs on the pool filter are removed after the filter has been cleaned. The pool pump motor is usually taken under cover. Also, winter chemicals are also added to keep the pool clean. Of course, there can be exceptions to turning the pool pump off during the winter months and performing other winterization methods discussed. So many times, boards will need to rely on the pool management company for the correct guidance.